These object fusion videos are going extremely viral on the social media right now, and so many creators have already started posting them. And the best part is that this trend is still just getting started, giving you a huge opportunity to jump in before the space becomes saturated. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact free method to make these videos yourself. But first, take a look at what I created with AI in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you're subscribed because we're diving straight into it. Start by opening the prompt file linked in the description below. Copy the complete master prompt exactly as it appears and paste it into ChatGPT, then press enter. It will instantly generate a list of vehicles for you to choose from. Type the number of the one you want and continue. Next, you'll be shown a list of animals. Select your favorite by entering its number and hit enter again. Within seconds, ChatGPT will build a complete custom prompt that perfectly combines your selected vehicle and animal into one unique fusion concept. Once the final prompt is generated, copy it and open Google Flow. Create a new project, choose the video option, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical format. Select OmniFlash as the video model, then choose a duration of 10 seconds. Here's a quick tip. Generate more than one output so you have multiple versions and can pick the strongest result. Paste your prompt into the input box, click Generate, and let the AI do the work. In just a few moments, your object fusion video will be ready and could be your next viral upload. Now let's check out the final result. And that's the entire process. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.